Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning battery saver mode on and off on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To quickly enable or disable battery saver mode, swipe down from the top right to access the control panel, then swipe down again to expand the controls. The battery saver control has a battery icon. Tap it to turn it on or off. You can customize your battery saver and see how much battery is left by going to the Settings app. In Settings, select Battery and Performance. Here you can move the dial to switch between Power Focus, Balanced Mode and Performance Mode. If you want to save your battery, switch it to Power Focus. You can also enable Ultra Battery Saver here, which really will give your phone an extra couple of hours of life, but will limit many of its features. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.